So let's jump on to the next scenario. And we will go back to the old login page. What we're going to do is take a user that has migrated to the new site and try to access the site from the old login page to demo what happens then. In this particular case, I'm on the old login page illustrated by the red login button and the / login.php at the top of the page. And when we select to log in, so it's telling me a couple things down here. First of all, it could be telling me that I did not type in my username or password correctly. Try again. Now, if you've already migrated, but you did not save the new bookmark from the home page, you're trying to sign in on the old login page, you need to go to the new sign-in page, select that link there, and on this page, we'll be able to successfully log in. As we're illustrating here. And actually the same can be said for a user that has not migrated. If they try to log in on the new login page, but they haven't successfully migrated, they will be redirected to go back to the old login page. We'll attempt to give you an illustration of that. And we'll put our password in. And in this particular case, this is the sign-in error. It's telling us that we either have an incorrect username or password. If you're sure you put it in correctly, maybe you're on the wrong login page. And what you would need to do is to perform this migration process is to sign in to the old sign-in page and follow the steps. And when you successfully get that password in, username, you will go through that process of creating a new username, creating a new password, and then we want you to bookmark that new ER homepage. So that scenario would be in the event that you're trying to sign in on the new sign-in page when you haven't migrated from the old one to the new one. And we want you to, just to make it clear, is the URL at the top of the page is what we need to talk about here. The old login, what we're calling the old login, is secure.emergencyreporting.com/login.php. And the new URL that you want to have bookmarked is secure.emergencyreporting.com only. This extra text that you're seeing right here is added to that URL when you go to it from that particular bookmark. So again, we can go into this bookmark and edit it, and we want to make sure that this text is in the URL for that bookmark or favorite, secure.emergencyreporting.com.